This is a demonstration of an automation for Microsoft 365 embedded for Monday.com, and this is exporting board data to Excel stored on a SharePoint drive. So if we go to integrate here and search for Excel, you can see two here. So we can see this one, every day at a certain time you can export the board content to an Excel document and at a certain place on your SharePoint site. This one, we can do an ad hoc and we can press a button and display it. So we're going to demonstrate this one. So we're using the button click, and we've got an export to Excel button, and we have a SharePoint site called Blackout Protocol, and we're going to go under a board exports folder, which we've got over here. Look, it's empty at the moment, and we're going to save that file name, and I'm going to call that project requests and approvals. Okay, we've created that automation, and now when you click this button, the automation triggers, and now it's completed, and we can go and have a look on our SharePoint site, refresh that, and we see the file here. So this is a little bit different to the standard out-of-the-box Monday export. So we have the item ID, the item name, the group name, and all the other data here. Lots and lots of columns there, but we also have a separate sheet so that we can look at the sub-items. So we've got the item ID and the item name here, but then we also have the parent ID and the parent name. So that's it, a really nice way of automating exports to Excel in SharePoint.